The University of Réunion Island is a French higher education and research public institution located in the heart of the Indian Ocean, one of Europe's outermost regions. By virtue of its unique geostrategic position, it is the only European university in the region. "12,000 students are admitted every year at 6 sites in Saint-Denis, Le Tampon, and Saint-Pierre. Through its research, international influence, range of courses offered, and student living conditions, the University of Réunion Island has many advantages that enable it to play a key role as an interface between Europe and the Indian Ocean." The University of Réunion Island has developed high-quality research structured around 3 research federations. The first federation focuses on the field of arts, social sciences, and the humanities. The second federation concentrates on the observation, dynamics, and development of natural environments. The third is devoted to the study and enhancement of biodiversity in the Southwest Indian Ocean in terms of human, animal, and plant health. A fourth is currently being established, focusing on built-up areas, energy, and the environment. All of these research activities are carried out in partnership with leading French institutions, in particular through joint research units. With its partners, the University of Réunion Island offers state-of-the-art research platforms with a plant protection division, a cyclotron, a satellite-assisted environmental monitoring station, and an atmospheric observation station. As in the case with all European universities, education at the University of Réunion Island is structured around the LMD system. Studies are organized into 3 cycles: bachelor's degree, licence, which is awarded after 3 years of higher education; master's degree, which marks 2 years of postgraduate study; and doctorate, which is obtained following 3 years of study and research after a master's degree. The University of Réunion Island also offers non-LMD short training courses and engineering degrees in 3 specialities. In total, the University of Réunion Island proposes qualifications in a wide range of fields. The University of Réunion Island also includes 5 faculties, 2 institutes, 1 observatory of science of the universe, 1 school of engineering, Réunion Indian Ocean, 1 teacher training school, 1 Confucius Institute. The human dimension of the campuses encourages exchanges between students and teachers. Supporting guidance schemes have been established to foster student achievements. As far as infrastructure is concerned, students have an extensive computing facilities at their disposal and internet access throughout the campus. The university libraries offer an ideal work environment with almost 13 kilometers of shelving and permit access to more than 25,000 electronic journals. The University of Réunion Island also encourages the use of digital tools and produce numerous online resources. In addition, a dedicated center informs students about their guidance and educational opportunities and support their entry into the world of employment. A preventive health care service providing free medical consultations is also readily available to them. As for student life, each university site is a home to a student house, which is a place to socialize and share information. Students can also take part in a number of cultural and sporting activities organized on the various sites throughout the academic year, the largest range of outdoor activities in France. In addition, the University of Réunion Island is home to 20 student associations and organizes regular events involving students and well-known performers. From a practical point of view, university restaurants are located on every site, as its student accommodations including the international building dedicated to foreign students. The University of Réunion Island is a meeting place for knowledge dissemination and different cultures and welcomes several hundred foreign students annually. A vector of dynamism and openness to the world, the development of partnerships with foreign universities represents one of the university's strengths. Different exchange programs already link it to European, Quebec, and American universities, while new partnerships are being formed with South Africa, South Korea, and Chinese universities. Studying at the University of Réunion Island is a chance to discover Réunionnais society and culture, but also to meet students from over 50 nationalities. The University of Réunion Island focuses on welcoming foreign students. The International Relations Office supports the students in preparing their stay. Then they welcome them at the airport and assist them in all of their arrangements, from university enrollment to opening bank accounts. Meanwhile, around 100 Réunionnais students go abroad every year to acquire new knowledge and perfect their proficiency in a foreign language. The University of Réunion Island also has numerous research partnerships with foreign universities. Réunion Island is a French department. The island benefits from infrastructure identical to that of Northern Europe, such as road networks, healthcare, industries, shops, hotels, and services. All of this in an exceptional living environment surrounded by sea, mountains, volcanic landscapes, and tropical forests. The diversity of population, culture, and tradition, often cited as an example, simply adds to its charm. The University of Réunion Island, the Indian Ocean's only European university, offers studies that meet European standards in an exceptional location, with high-performance research, excellent working conditions, and a rich student life. This is the University of Réunion Island, the Indian Ocean's European university.